Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to make some no-sew, easy denim tassels. And you can attach your tassels to your keys or onto a bag. To make these little denim tassels, I have a piece of denim here, and it's approximately 7.5 inches by 3 inches, but you can make your tassels any size that you like. And I'm just going to cut a little section here to make the holder. And I'm going to roll it like this and glue it right here in the corner, and then I'll work my way down. Like that. And I have a key ring, and I'm going to pass this through my key ring and glue this together like that. And now I'm going to cut slits in my denim, and I'm going to leave a section up here about 1/2 inch. So I'm just going to cut along the edge like that, and I'm going to stop about there. I'm going to do that all the way down. Like that. And I have one here that's already done. I'm going to glue my key ring at the beginning. And I'm going to start gluing and rolling. And try to keep it all level up along here. Just do a small section at a time, keeping it level up here. And finish it up. And there's the finished tassel. That's how easy it is to make some little denim tassels. And you can attach your tassels to your keys or onto a bag. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.